It's fantastic to be back at a large European trade show. We restarted our Automotive Expo in Australia in April, and it was like bringing the family back together again. There was unbridled joy on the faces of everyone, and just that industry reconnection. And it's so good to come to Bologna and see such a large professional show with so many people here and the aisles buzzing. And again, I think Autopromotec is bringing the European industry together, and I believe trade shows are so important for a number of reasons. We have such a diverse range of products and technology in our industry that you really need to bring everyone into one place to see all the changes and so on. I think training and education is really important. There's so many things going on in the industry, and workshop owners need to keep up with them. And the final thing, and I think this is the thing that we've missed the most, is the networking and connectivity and the face-to-face and people-to-people activity that happens. We are one big community, and whilst we settled for Zoom calls and so on, there's no substitute for actually getting together. So trade shows play a vital role I think in those three areas, and it's just so good to see them restarting again and us getting back as a community.
I'm Mark Phillips, reporting from Bologna.